One of the question or one of the tip a lot of people need to use simple workflow manager is how it can actually the workflow can run across multiple organizations. So that is one of the thing we can achieve very easily with simple workflow manager. So let me quickly show you on the workflow we created yesterday. So this is our workflow which we created yesterday. We go to the add-ons as we know, and we can open the panel, and what we need to do is instead of sending this workflow in the C Simplify IT domain where I have created it, I wish to send it to the Gmail domain which is outside my C Simplify IT. So by default you will not be able to access the forms generated in C Simplify IT domain in Gmail. But for some workflows, for example, Joiny workflow, you may need to send it on Gmail or somewhere so that users can process it. So let's see how what change we need to make it run. So we just run this workflow. It will change the work item ID to 3. And if you really go to my Gmail ID now, you will see that this workflow has come here. The mail has come here. Okay. Okay, here is the mail. And if I go, everything remains same, but when you try to fill this form, you will see you do not have access to it. It will give you a error. Sorry, it is going to my Gmail right now. But if I try to go to DMata, so it will give me an error that this form can be viewed only in the owner's organization. The simplest thing you can do is you can go in your on your form whatever is created for this user, and you can allow it to be filled in by the other parties by going to edit this form and then go to settings and then remove this restriction that only C Simplify IT persons can fill this form and save it. Once you have done that, now if we go back in our DMata and if we try to reopen it using DMata, we should be able to fill this form. And one change you will see is rather than picking the email ID now directly, it is asking you to fill it in. So you can fill in your email ID and you can process this form now. So this is a very easy way basically to make your workflow go across multiple domains or in multiple organizations and complete your tasks. I hope you enjoyed this small trick, like how to make forms go across multiple organizations and workflow run across multiple organizations, how we achieve that in our workflow. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you. Bye bye.